Rupa MN, Assistant Professor of Economics, Tumkur University, Tumkur. Indian Economics, Module 1, Structure of the Indian Economy, Session 4, Problems of Indian Economy. Learning objectives. The objectives of this lesson is to understand the concepts of the problems of Indian economy. Outcomes of the study. Student unable to understand the problems of Indian economy. Student can improve the skill, easy to analyze, improve their knowledge. Inflation. Inflation is a situation wherein there are continuous increases in the price level of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. Inflation is currently between 8 to 10%. This inflation has been a problem despite periods of economic slowdown. Population growth. Indian ranks second after China in total population. Its population is growing 20% decade, leading to problems that include food deficits, sanitization, deterioration, and pollution. The food and nutrition deficit has created a 20% death rate due to malnutrition. For example, 8% of India's population has access to toilets and 75% of surface water is contaminated by human waste. Moreover, 65% of India's GDP is low to health related costs. Next one is poverty. The biggest enemy of health in the developing world is poverty. The poverty line is the minimum level of income deemed adequate in a given country. The national poverty line using the Tendulkar methodology at the end of 2011-12 was estimated at Rs 18,106 per capita per month for rural area and Rs 1,000 per capita per month in urban area for that year, according to the erstwhile planning commissions. Has India spent reported earlier that in 27 per day in rural areas and Rs 33 per in urban areas. Next one is unemployment. With increases in the number of unemployed persons, poverty expands. It was assumed that the gains of the economic growth would percolate downward and the inequalities would decline and problem of poverty and unemployment would get solved automatically. Insufficient agriculture. Agriculture products 17.4% of economic output, but over 51% of the workforce are employed in agriculture. This is the most insufficient sector of the economy and reforms has proved slow. Next one is income inequality. It is hoped that economic growth would help drag the Indian poor above the poverty line. More than 78 million homes do not have electricity. 33% of the population live in less than one per day. Furthermore, with the spread of televisions in Indian villages, the poor are increasingly aware of the disparity between rich and poor. Next one is literacy rate. Although India has benefited from a high of English speakers, there is still high levels of illiteracy amongst the population. It is worse in the rural areas amongst women. Over 50% of Indian women are illiterate. This limits economic development and a more skilled workforce. These are Indian economics problems. Thank you.